So now we'll be discussing about SCBA and EEBD. So SCBA basically self-contained breathing devices which is able to produce a volume of air around 1200. So this 1200 unit was around, sorry, 1200, only 1200 liter, okay, of air. And apart from that, so basically the pressure should be around 200 bar in this SCBA, 200 to 250 between of that. And another thing is that after wearing it should long last for at least 30 minutes. And when the pressure is around 50 to 40 bar, 50 to 60 bar, it should give an alarm, so that another person who is wearing it should know that only 30 minutes is left, sorry, only 10 minutes is left, so he just complete his work and come out from the area. And the one who is wearing it, the weight of it should not exceed around is the total weight is around 19 kg of this whole SCBA set, so it should not exceed that 19 kg. And apart from that, it includes all the equipment like hatches and torches and walkie-talkie and everything in this, all the fireman outfit, that 19 kg. And this bottle of in SCBA should be changeable. And like before wearing you should have to check the sealing of the mask, just wear it and like try to take breathe. And if demand wall automatically on, like if it open, you are able to take you are able to breathe, then means the mask is properly working. And if not, then there's a chances maybe there will be a leakage, right? And another case, like we should check the first, before wearing you should check the pressure as well. Like you open the that cylinder wall and just close the demand valve and wait for 30 seconds. If the pressure is decreased in 30 seconds, that there is a chances that leakage is there. And after leak test and mask leak test, you have to check for the whistle, whether whistle is working or not. You have to just open the that wall, and after checking that the leakage of that 30 second and all, just open the demand valve, lets the pressure gas out. And if the pressure reaches 50 to 60 bar, right, then it, or like sorry, you don't need to keep the cylinder valve open, just close it and open the, what we say, demand valve. If the pressure decreases by 40 to 50 bar, 50-60 bar, then a visual alarm should, an audible alarm should come, okay. An audible alarm will come, and that the person will know that there's only few is left, like 200 liter volume of air is left, okay. So basically this is all about SCBA. Now coming to EEBD. So EEBD is basically an escape device. You can't wear EEBD and go for firefighting and all. EEBD's time period is only for 10 seconds. It is present in engine room and in a workshop, and in the, if the workshop is just attached to the, like directly you can assess the escape area, so no need to have there. And apart from that, the place of where you will escape, even there should be one EBD should be present. And apart from that, cargo area should have one EBD and one cargo space 2 EBD, and one for the one will be the spare. And yeah, so totally 3 in engine room and 2 for the area, for like for 2 for the cargo space area, 1 for the will be kept in what we say, one will be kept for the spare, okay. Now apart from this EBD requirement, in passenger ships, if the person's one horizontal zone in 36, then it has a 2 lifeboat, a 2 EBD plus 1 spare. For tankers, oh so sorry, just miss out the SCBA requirement, how much SCBA you should have. In oil tanker that weight more than 20,000 should be 2 plus 2, that is 4 SCBA set is required. Rest container and everything require 2 SCBA set. The ships having more gross tonnage of 20,000 are required to have all this, and extinguisher as well. And total number of extinguisher which you have to keep on board is I guess 5 extinguishers for ship more than 500 tonnage, right? And for SCBA 4 and 2, and EEBD as I have discussed. And what else? EBD should be marked with instruction how to use it, right? After wearing it, it should have a what we say cover, that transparent cover, so that the person who's wearing can see other, like can see the area and just escape from wherever he is. So maybe something I'm missing out. So just see like what is the like an SCBA bottle. You have to just every drill we have to change the bottle. You use different bottles every monthly, whatever drills which we are carrying out. So we have to do that, and weekly we have to just check the pressure is in green zone, the pressure is good, and you can do the leak test as well if required, and same for everything. So this is all about, just we have to check. And for 4,000 something requirement was there, like for 4,000 more to let's see now what is all requirement. Okay, this is the minimum burning period, electric lamp. Okay, so the person will be carrying a burning lamp which has the 3 hour requirement. Ship carry at least 2 firefighters outfit. Additional firefighters outfit will be needed for passenger vessel depending on the design of the ship. Okay, length of the passenger space is 80 meter. Number of decks verticals and number of passengers. For tanker ship, 2 number of fire outfits should be kept on board. Additional 2. Okay, additional 2 should be kept. Monthly verify lockers providing storage of firefighting equipment, and their inventory and equipment is serviceable. Okay, so now coming to the 1200 30 meter. Okay, 30 minute compressed air devices, volume of air in the cylinder when reduced no less than. Okay, so basically give an audible alarm and a visual, like if it is 200 liter. Okay, maximum pressure should be 180 to 200 bar. Okay, so I said till 200 to 250, so it should be around 180 to 200 exactly. Right? Max weight should not exceed 90, including lifeline, safety belt and harness. Okay, this I have told. So what I have missed is the, okay, so this I have missed, like if it is 500 to 2,500 tons, then 2 sets. If it is 2,500 to 4,000 tons, then it is 3 sets are required. 4,000 above, like 4 sets are required. Okay, 2 3 4 500 से है 2500, 4,000 4,000, और फिर एडिशनल जो आपका है टैंकर पे 2 रहेगा. ठीक है, वीकली आप देखोगे कंफर्म दे आर इन करेक्ट प्रेशर गेज. एनुअली आप इसका क्या करेंगे, चेक ब्रीथिंग टेम्परेचर, रिचार्जिंग सिस्टम. ओके, ठीक है, वो कंप्रेसर वगैरह भी चेक करोगे. चेक ऑल ब्रीथिंग फेस मास्क. ओके, ये मंथली करना है, ईयरली करना है. जैसे ड्रिल वगैरह में तो हम देखे इसी अगर इन सर्विसेबल कंडीशन देयर चार्ज यूज ऑफ ब्लोन ऑफ एंड रिफिल्ड एज पर द मैन्युफैक्चरर गाइड. ठीक है, 5 ईयरली आपका ये, जैसे आप नॉर्मल एक्सटिंग्विशर का हाइड्रोस्टेटिक चार्ज करते हैं, इसका भी आपको चार्ज करना है. परफॉर्म हाइड्रोस्टेटिक टेस्टिंग चार्ज ऑफ ऑल स्टील टेस्टिंग एंड टेस्ट डेट मस्ट बी स्टैम्प्ड एंड. ओके, ठीक है. लाइफलाइन 3 अच्छा, लाइफलाइन का कितना वो रहेगा, 3.5 नॉट फॉर 5 मिनट. ठीक है, प्रेशर मतलब इतना टेस्ट झेल पाना चाहिए. ओके, ये टेस्ट तो हो गया. EBD का क्या है, 5 लीटर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. इसका कितना कंटेंट था वो मैंने बोला नहीं था. सो इट्स 5 लीटर ऑक्सीजन, 10 मिनट का रिक्वायरमेंट है. सेल्फ इंस्ट्रक्शन शुड बी रिटन ओवर देयर. एंड 2 EBD. ओके, फॉर कार्गो स्पेस 2 EBD एंड 1 स्पेयर फॉर पैसेंजर शिप्स नॉट मोर देन 36 2. 36 से ज़्यादा है तो 4, एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन द वर्टिकल जोन, एंड 2 स्पेयर EBDs एंड for each main vertical zone. ओके, ठीक है. मशीनरी स्पेस में हो गया, एक ही वीडियो मशीन शॉप और वर्कशॉप एरिया. देयर इज हाउएवर अ डायरेक्ट एक्सेस टू एन एस्केप वे फ्रॉम द वर्कशॉप. EBD is not required. EBD located near the, okay, one EBD at the engine control room. We have to remember that. So one EBD located near the escape ladder, used as a second means of escape from machinery space. Then weekly we have to examine the gauges annually according to the maker's instruction. 5 yearly hydrostatic is must. So this is all about, so we have completed. एंड ये भी देखना है कि भाई जो ISO के अंदर है फायर इन्वॉल्विंग गैसेस लिखा है, ठीक है, जो C वाला पार्ट है, और इसके अंदर C पूरा इलेक्ट्रिकल का इक्विपमेंट है, और जो वेयर द इलेक्ट्रिकल नॉन कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ द एक्सट्रीमिटी इज़ ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंस, मतलब जो एक्सटिंग्विशिंग यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो इलेक्ट्रिक नॉन कंडक्टिविटी होना चाहिए, नॉर्मली CO2 यूज़ करते हैं। मेटल यहाँ पे लिखा है सिर्फ, मेटल यहाँ पे अपना मैग्नीशियम कंबस्टिबल मैटर नाम दे दिया है, यहाँ पर F है, यहाँ पे K है, ठीक है, FK फायर इन्वॉल्व्स कुकिंग ऑयल, और यहाँ पे फायर इन्वॉल्व्स कुकिंग ग्रीस फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स। यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, कंबाइन यूरोपियन दी नॉर्मलाइजेशन ऑफ CN स्टैंडर्ड क्लोजली फॉलोज ISO स्टैंडर्ड नॉर्मली, पता नहीं यार, तो मुझे जहाँ तक लग रहा है ये वाला ही फॉलो हो रहा है। NFPA नेशनल फायर प्रोटेक्शन एसोसिएशन, इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर स्टैंडर्ड। ओके नाउ ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा SCBA और EBD का रिक्वायरमेंट। और ये याद रखना है ये SCBA का है, कहाँ गया 36 पैसेंजर वाला EBD के लिए, ठीक है, वर्टिकल जोन जो भी है, और इसके लिए वो 500 फिर 2500 वो वाला है ना, अच्छा कहाँ गया 500 2500 अपना ये जो भी है साइट्स रिक्वायर्ड है, ठीक है। थैंक यू।